Question 1-6 on page 15. Represent each of the following to three significant figures and express each answer in SI units using an appropriate prefix. So they give us several numbers here. I'll write down these numbers as we re-express them. So let's start off with A. A was given as 45,320 kilonewtons. Let's make that N a little bigger. Now the first thing I would do is express the number in scientific notation. So 45.32 times 10 to the third kilonewtons. Well, kilo is 1,000, 10 to the third is 1,000. So I could express this in meganewtons, and I would round it off to three significant figures by dropping that 2 and then meganewtons. So it's pretty straightforward. B gives us a number of 568 times 10 to the fifth millimeters. Again, I'd move the decimal place over twice. That's taking out 2 tens or taking out 100. So that's 5.68 times 10 to the seventh. We still have units of millimeters, but a milli is a 10 to the negative third, and then we have meters. What this allows me to do is combine the 7 and the negative 3. Probably what I'll do is I'll take 110, we'll take that to a 6, take 110, that way I can move the decimal place over 1. Okay, so that gives me 56.8. And then I'm left with 10 to the 6 times 10 to the negative 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So that's kilo, or that's 1,000 meters. So kilometers. 56.8 kilometers is how I would represent that. The last one is this number, 0.20563 milligrams. Again, scientific notation, let's see, 1, 2, 3 places over, 5.63 times 10 to the negative third. That's just re-expressing the first part. And then we have milligrams, which milli is 10 to the negative 3. I'm varying in the way I do this, but it's consistent. So 10 to the negative 3 times 10 to the negative 3 would be 10 to the negative 6. So this would be the same thing as 5.63 micrograms. That's probably the way I would express it.